welcome back to the 1 Series build. Today, we're gonna be doing interior things. Engine bay looks super clean, aka it's not super clean at all, but Zach parked his Lambo in the way. In the meantime, I have this disaster of an interior that 100% of it has to go. The new engine just has a custom engine harness, and for the chassis harness, I want nothing in here. I want it to be like the hatchback. There'll be like a PDM and a dash. That's basically gonna be it. I think I'm gonna buy the HDK carbon dash and just get rid of this one. Seats, gotta go. And I got a new spelt seat. The same one that Jason had in his car, he had a passenger one that he never used. So I traded him 6 tire changes for it. That was a snazzy deal on my part. I think the goal is just gonna be pulling the seats, pulling the dash, steering column, the carbon trays can come. And then I think I'm gonna get the big bolt cutters and just start cutting out the wiring harness. I really don't care about any of it. CAN bus, fuel pumps, rear tail lights, PDM, wheel speeds, because I am gonna keep ABS, engine's on its own. Would like to pre-wire some extra GoPros in the car. Ooh, I need windshield wipers still. Gotta cut that connector out. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's get to cutting and stripping. All right, I'm still in the GoPro now, update time. All the big stuff is removed. Now it's just getting to the wiring. So the whole fuse box, gone. All this center console wiring to the HTG and stuff, I'll pull the trans harness obviously, but the rest of that gets to go. The old steering wheel harness, gone. Everything that runs along the frame rails and everything, gone. This whole bundle, I'm excited to get rid of all that. We'll leave the fire suppression bottle in there probably for now. Stuff that I'm keeping, like the fuel pump connector and stuff, I'll just snip those and leave it in there. Same with the taillights and stuff like that, but a majority of this stuff is going in the trash. So let's get to cutting some wires. All right, so we've come to my favorite part of this contraption here, and that's that I built the cage around a stock car with a stock wiring harness. It's not really going to come through, so we're going to take this very delicately and remove it from around the harness. Also, this thing is freaking disgusting. I do actually need this harness. That is the yaw sensor. Totally forget about that for right now. Now I just gotta figure out how to get all this crap around the dash. Maybe I just remove the IP at this point. I think the game plan is we're just gonna remove this now. So this car was like 40% zip ties. You guys have no idea the amount of satisfaction in this. Feels good. All right, let's go throw it on the scale. We'll grab the other half. I think this is a crash sensor. And a crash. Take your final guess. I'm gonna go 34 pounds. 31 pounds. Not as much as I secretly wanted it to be like 40 something, just so I could feel better about my life, but it's still pretty good. There's a harness over there. 1 pound.
pretty stripped right now. Oh no, that probably looks terrible on camera. The only thing, I still obviously have a lot of, this is like the aftermarket wiring for my kill switch, and I still have the fuel pumps and stuff like that, but I'm going to keep all that anyway. This could be it. This could be it. 33. One more pound to go, and then I'm right. We'll find something. Oh, I still have the big positive cable that goes all the way underneath the car. It was totally 34 pounds. Yeah, other than wiring though, my blunder is, I obviously put this bolt in when the windshield wasn't there, so I can't really get that out right now. So that's kind of a letdown, but I could easily cut it, so not really to worry. I think now I just have been throwing bolts places, so it's time to go just clean up bolts and have a beer. Okay, so as you can see, this thing is gutted. There is literally nothing left in here other than this fire suppression bottle, which I was just too lazy to take out. So in the next episode, we're going to get rid of all the dumb little brackets, do some weight savings, and try to clean up the body in white and make it look pretty, since there's not going to be anything left in here. So until next time, take care. Peace.